Hello guys, thanks for clicking on this video. You are welcome. Today we are making oil perfume of different fragrance. The things we need are as follows. You need a plastic bowl. A transparent plastic bowl is needed, and also we need mixing bottles for us to mix the fragrances together. Then apart from that, we also need the oil itself. We have blue water 50 ml. We have black oud 50 ml. And we have sugar baby 50 ml. The fourth one is Musk. We have Musk. It's also 50 ml. And then we have Propylene Glycol 200 ml, because we are going to be mixing it with each of the fragrances. Here I have a tiny funnel needed so that you can avoid wastage of your fragrance. I have 3 ml bottles and I have 6 ml bottles also. Alright, so we go into the mixing proper. We have 4 fragrances here, but we can make about 8 different fragrances from what we have here. So right now we are going to be mixing the fragrance, and then I will show you what to do. The first thing I did was to mix my sugar baby with blue water. Mix it together. Then you mix your musk with black oud. You mix the two together, and then you start filling into your bottles. When you measure out the quantity of the fragrance you want to mix, you also measure out the quantity of propylene glycol in equal measurement and shake it together before you start filling into the small bottles. So that is the first thing to do. That bottle is my mixing bottle. So I will pour in the quantity of the fragrances I need to fill in. I have this tiny, funnel. Before now, I was using this injection syringe to draw the fragrance, but it was wasting a whole lot of time. So now I use this tiny funnel for filling, and it's very easy and good. So you pour in some quantity of the fragrance, starting with blue water and sugar baby. So you pour in little of blue water and also little of sugar baby. Then you add that same equal amount of what you have in the mixing bottle. You add your propylene glycol of the same equal amount to shake it together. So I'm going to measure out the same amount of the quantity I have for the fragrance. I measure out the same quantity of propylene glycol and add to it. So when you add it, you now shake it very well to ensure that the propylene glycol mixes very well with the 2 fragrances that you already have in the mixing bottle. Now, the essence of doing this is to have different fragrances that people will not be able to predict. You understand? Because by the time you mix the two and you bring it out, it will be difficult for people to know that, okay, this is what you are wearing. So this I'm going to package now. So you just pour it into the small 6 ml bottles, and then it's ready. If you have label, beautiful. You can add label to the bottles. But if you don't have label, it does not matter. You can still sell. But if you really want to sell it to many people, you need to print your own label. So what I'm putting on the bottle is the roll-on, the tiny roll-on. So you just click it, and then you use a beautiful cover for it. Look at it, it's made. So if you have label or sticker, you can put on it. So after bottling this, then I will go ahead to do another set. So you pour it until you exhaust that mixture, then you mix another 2. The next two I'm going to be mixing is black oud and musk, but I have to finish packaging the mixture I already have. So you can choose a name for your fragrance, because at this point these fragrances are your own products, so you can choose a name for it. Yes, when you choose a name for it, it becomes very unique, so people cannot actually say this is what you are wearing. So now I want to mix musk and black oud the same way I did for sugar baby and blue water. Then you add your propylene glycol just the same way as you will have different fragrance from the mixture as well. Now when you finish that, you are going to also have a mixture of your blue water and musk. After mixing blue water and musk, you now mix your sugar baby and black oud. You understand? From that you have 4 different fragrances before you now do the individual fragrances, which is your sugar baby, your blue water, your musk and your black oud, making 8 different fragrances. And as a matter of fact, you can generate up to 12 different fragrances from these ones you already have, because you can add 3 to 1, 3 to 1, and then you can now finally add the 4 into 1, and you have different unique fragrances and ready for the market. So if you get up to 10 fragrances, for instance, you can produce up to 30 fragrances from just 10 that you bought. And that is the secret. That is the secret of the business. Your ability to mix them, your ability to interchange, you understand, is the secret of the business, which I'm giving to you now free of charge, because I love your support in this channel, because you have been following, because you have subscribed. I love your support. I'm giving all this out. These are things you go out for training and you pay a whole lot for, but here we are at Unique and Healthy Recipes. Things come out free of charge. The only thing I'm asking from you today, please join my channel membership. You stand a chance to enjoy special perks as a member of my channel. If you have not subscribed before, but you have been watching the videos, please do well to subscribe today. Turn on your post notifications so that you'll be among the first set of people that will always see our new videos when they drop. Another thing I'd like you to do for me today is to like this video, give us thumbs up, make comments, ask your questions, and share the video to your friends. Share to WhatsApp, share to any platform, to Telegram, any platform where you belong. I like many people to be liberated, because from this they can start a business of their own. I know so many people who are followers of this channel that are making a living out of the things they learn from this channel, and that is actually one of the reasons for creating this channel. So share the video so that many people can learn and they can be able to stand and do something for themselves. So please kindly share this video. Share it as soon as you click share. Begin to share. God will bless you. God will bless you. And you can also scroll down the channel to see other videos in different areas. I've made toilet wash that can keep your toilet clean. I've made bleach that can remove stubborn stains. We have made a lot of things on this channel. Hair shampoo, hair conditioner. We have made, shower gel, different kind of things, and even bar soap. So if you subscribe to this channel, you have the chance of seeing all the videos, and then you'll be able to learn from them and share to your friends. So that is basically what today's video is all about. Your ability to mix different fragrances and get unique, perfume out of your mixtures. That's what we are doing today. So even if I did and I got 8 different fragrances, you can get more than 8. just depending on your ability to mix them. So you can mix these two, mix another two, mix three, mix another four, turn it around and have different fragrances, so that when people use your product, they cannot find it anywhere else. That is the secret of the business. So thank you very much for watching. This is the unique and healthy recipes. I like to hear from you. Where are you watching from? Please write it down. I like to interact with you. I like to give a shout out to people from your nation through you. So please drop the comment in the comment section. Tell me where you are watching from. Tell me what you want me to do again. What kind of video you like to see. Please talk to me. I like to hear from you. This is the first time of coming to this channel. You are in the right place. And how to make a lot of household products. You don't have to try again. You can make them by yourself. And you can also start making money from the things that you produce. So thank you very much. Don't forget to like this video, share to your friends, and drop your comment below. And don't forget to join my channel membership. Very, very important. I have some videos that are exclusively for members of this channel. Some videos are dropped exclusively for the members. So if you join the membership, you stand a chance to enjoy those perks. And so anytime a video is dropped, you'll be among the first to get it because you are members of the channel. Thank you very much, guys. I love you all. Tell me where you are watching from. Don't forget to do that. And don't forget the fragrance that we are working with today. We are working with Sugar Baby. We are working with Blue Water. We are working with Black Oud. We are working with Musk. I mixed Sugar Baby and Blue Water. I mixed Black Oud and Musk. I mixed Musk and Sugar Baby, Musk and Blue Water, then Blue Water and Black Oud, Sugar Baby and Black Oud. So you continue to just interchange it like that, and before you know it, you have a whole lot of products ready for sale. God bless you and thank you. Smelling good is a business and you have to keep at it. See you again in my next video. But I like to hear from you. What kind of video you like to see? As you ask for it, I drop it. So write in the comment section and let me know what you want to see next. So this remains Unique and Healthy Recipes, the channel that is bringing you all kinds of household products. Whatever it is you want to learn, ask us here. We can make hand sanitizer, can make hair shampoo, conditioner, can make hair cream, can make all kinds of products that is needed. God bless you and thank you. See you one more time very soon and bye bye. God bless you.